Hi guys, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm going to show you how to make a pineapple fizz. So we're using two different kinds of rum, but of course if you're at home and you've only got a bottle of Bacardi or a bottle of Havana Club, you can use the one rum and it's still going to work very well. So I'm going to measure out 45 ml. Today I'm using Angostura, so 45 ml of my white rum, 1.5 ounces. Throw that straight into my cocktail shaker and follow that up with a Gold Rum, Angostura again. It's like these were on special or something at the store. 15 ml, half an ounce. Adds a little bit of complexity. And then 37.5 ml, 1.25 ounce. Very specific amount there. And then fresh lime juice. So there's a lot of recipes out there. Some call for omitting the lime juice, but I think a fizz, you know, it's got your spirit, lime or lemon, sugar, and soda. So I'm going to include it, but I'm only going to do 10 ml, 1/3 of an ounce. You do get the acidity from the pineapple juice, so that's why I only did just a little bit. And then fresh sugar, picked straight from the tree. And then 10 mils of simple syrup. I've had too many Midori cocktails. Then 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. That was a lot of bitters. Maybe go 1 dash. Or just go easy with your dashing. Fill your cocktail shaker with ice. Give it a good shake for 12 seconds. Fill a highball glass with ice. And then it's completely up to you. You can strain it over that ice and then top it with soda. I like to add the soda into the cocktail shaker, let the ingredients combine before straining it over. You can see by the colour I've gone a little bit hard on the Angostura bitters. So we'll see how that turns out. I'm going to top it up just a little bit with soda and then garnish with the pineapple wedge. And there you have the pineapple fizz. Cheers. The rum is quite strong, obviously, because you've got two different kinds. And you've got 2 ounces, 60 ml. The bitters isn't overpowering, it just complements the drink, but I do think the drink does need some more acidity, so I'd prefer to increase the lime juice, which I will actually do right now. I'll be back. So there you go, I've made it a second time. I've increased the acidity and I've added a tiny bit of simple syrup. If you want to know how much, make sure you check out the description below because I'll leave the original and the adjusted recipe. But hopefully this works. Cheers. Much better. It's got some more acidity, but it's balanced out with the simple syrup. It's more rounded, and it I don't know, it just creates more vibrancy with the drink. It works much better. Before it was just a bit soft, too much pineapple juice. But now I really quite like it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.